Hi. So over the weekends, I was experimenting with Clawdbot. Like I wanted to check how the integrations work internally and how it can be used to connect with the different channel providers. So here I have integrated it with Telegram. So in order to work with the CloudBot, you need to first, of course, install it on your machine. So I have installed it, and while installing, ran into few issues where the particular Node.js module named some SMG linking that was conflicting with the version of the CloudBot. So I have to again unlink it and again reinstall Node.js to kind of solve the issue. After that, it worked properly. Then after solving that and installing Clawdbot, uh, you need to start the gateway so that it gets connected with your channel provider. So in this case, I was using Telegram. So I needed to first create the bot using botfather, and it provided some tokens that I need to set up in the openclaw.json file, and that worked out. There was also a case where a particular 401 error was thrown from the cloud, but that was due to the wrong token which I provided. That also I figured it out during debugging. After that, there was couple of 404 issues while triggering the Telegram APIs for contacting, like connecting with the bot. That was related to some webhook not being called or being misconfigured. That is also like I was able to solve it while debugging. To after So all of this debugging and the issues I found out via these logs. So Clawdbot does have a command named OpenClaw logs that you can refer to get the errors which the Clawdbot is throwing. And yeah, so if I show you, so whenever we run the gateway, we get this dashboard. So here, as we can see, I have a Telegram channel already attached and configured. I have set the polling as a mode basically, and this is my bot that is connected to the Clawdbot. So if I just type, hey, what's up? So it is typing now. Okay. It also picks up the context of your last visited talk. So just before the video recording, I was just checking with it again. So it particularly fetched the context properly from your previous talk. There was also issue where I ran into this API rate limit reached error. So this was due to I only used one as the default model, like I didn't had a fallback model in the openclaw.json file. So it was like already hitting a particular rate limit for a model in the Gemini, which I found during debugging in the Gemini model console. Then I again added a fallback model so that if that model reaches a, let's say, rate limit, so you can fall back it to something other Gemini, some other Gemini model. So yeah, that's it. I mean, the opportunity which I can see using Clawdbot is endless. This was just a v0.0.1 that I wanted to try it out and experiment more, like hosting it and then having some real world edge cases to solve. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.